If you ever leave me, baby, means there's nothing in my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. And this has been a Dark Link for Protection video.